What is concrete? So all of you know about the concrete. Concrete is a mixture of the cement, sand and aggregate, and then after water. And if any admixture is required, so we added admixture. So in a concreting work, some of the accuracy criteria is required during the concrete work. So cement concrete shall be measured in a meter cube, and a measure of the length, width and height or a thickness shall be taken as a nearest of the 1 centimeter. So what is nearest of the 1 centimeter? Like if you measure the length, so accuracy, we take accuracy in a 1 meter as a 1 centimeter, and expect the thickness of the slab partition of the beam and uh, partition and beam and the like shall be measured nearest to 0.5 centimeter. The cement concrete may be plain or reinforced, and a pre-stressed shall be pre-stressed. All the concrete are measured separately. Now next criteria is a work in a precast and cast in situ shall also be kept separately. So what is precast and cast in situ? So precast is concrete is cast in a factory, and a cast in situ is a concrete is done in a concrete work done on a site. So concrete of a different material and different proportions shall be taken under separate item. So here different material, so if we use a different material like generally made of the concrete by cement, sand and aggregate, and different material we use like admixture, so it is count as a separate item, and different proportions shall be also count as a separate item. So different proportion like there are different types of the concrete is available like M20 grade concrete, M25 grade concrete, M30 grade concrete. So here different proportions shall be taken as a different item. So all the different proportion not count as a single as a concrete item, but count as a as per the grade of the concrete. So in RCC the steel reinforcement shall be measured under the separate item, and steel is also count in a quintal. So steel is not a generally count in a not generally added in a concrete work, but count separately. The volume occupied by the steel reinforcement shall not be deducted from the measurement of the concrete volume, because steel volume is a minimum volume in a concrete volume as compared to concrete work. And normally centering and shuttering means formwork shall not be measured separately, but included in a rate of the cement or a PCC work. So here sometime some contractor formwork shall be measured separately, but as per the standard rule in a rate of the RCC and PCC work, so formwork shall be included in a rate of the RCC and PCC work. So binding wire is not measured separately. So binding wire generally used in a formwork, so it is not counted as a separate item, but included in a formwork item or included in a RCC or PCC work. The item of the RCC work shall include the RCC slab, beam, column, footing, lintel, chhaja, staircase, etc. And each of them shall be classified under the separate item, and because all the items are a different formwork is required and different strength is required, different quantity of the concrete is required, so all the item is counted as a separate item. So chhaja may be measured in a running meter. Why chhaja may be measured in a running meter? Because chhaja is required small or little thickness. So so in a chhaja, if we provide a slant slope in a chhaja, so average thickness is we calculate the average thickness in a running meter. So specially lightweight partition wall shall be measured in a meter square area, and lightweight partition wall thickness is a less. Next is a formwork. So unless and otherwise specially mentioned, the formwork shall be measured in a meter square as a actual surface in contact with a concrete. So formwork for a slab, vertical side is not be measured. So vertical slide, so what is vertical side? So at the when the we construct a slab, so first we prepare a lower portion of the slab, and at the entire area covered by the 12 centimeter to 15 centimeter height of the wooden plank. So this plank is not included in a measurement. Now next is a rule for the deduction. So no deduction shall be made for the following item, like opening less than the zero point 0.1 square meter area. Next is the volume occupied by reinforcement. Third one is the volume occupied by pipes, conduits, etc. not exceeding 100 square centimeter in a cross sectional area. And fourth one is a end of dissimilar structure such as a beam, rafter, stab, girder, etc. up to the 500 centimeter square in a cross sectional area. And fifth one is a small void not exceed the 40 square in a in a cross sectional area. So next is a DPC. So what is DPC? DPC is a damp proof course, and damp proof course shall be fully described and measured in a meter square. Starting the thickness, the item shall be included in a formwork, finishing, leveling, curing, etc. And the horizontal and vertical DPC shall be measured separately. Now next is a precast concrete work. So precast cement concrete reinforcement or a plain cement shall be taken separately in a cubic meter, and shall be described in included mold, finish phase, hoisting, and setting in a position. The proper of the mix and ingredients of the setting mortar providing and fixing the insert shall be started in the item. Reinforcement, if any, shall be included in an item or may be measured separately. Now last point is the expansion joint. Expansion joint in a roof or floor of the wall bay shall be measured in a running meter, starting the depth and width of the joint, and the item shall be included all the formwork and labor necessary to form a joint. Material used for the filling shall be described. Next important point in a modes of measurement is a plastering and pointing. So in a plastering and pointing, some of the accuracy criteria is given, like plastering shall be taken in a meter square, starting the thickness of the mortar and its mix. The number of the coats shall be started stated in the item. So all the numbers of coats shall be as a count as a separate item, like single coated plaster and double coated plaster. So both the item are separately given in a counting work. The plastering on a roof, ceiling, wall shall be kept separate. So in a roof we require in a ceiling and in a wall is all the plaster work kept separately. Plastering band 30 centimeter or below shall be measured in a running meter separately, and interior plaster in case of the building shall be measured separately for each story. Now in a exterior plaster, so in exterior plaster the height greater than the 10 meter from the average ground level shall be measured separately in the stage of the 3 meter. The measurement of the all the plaster shall be taken for the dimension before plastering for the length, and the from the top of floor or skirting to the ceiling for a height. Soffit or stair shall be measured plastering on a ceiling. Now rules for the deduction of plaster work. So no deduction shall be made for a opening not exceeding the 0.5 meter square area, and no addition shall be made for the reveal, jam, soffit, sills, etc. of these openings, and no deduction shall be made for the end of the joint, points, stabs, etc. not exceeding 0.5 meter square area. For a opening exceed 0.5 square meter area but not exceeding 3 meter square area, when both the face are plastered with the same plaster, each deduction shall be made to made for a one phase only, and the other phase shall be allowed for a jam, soffit, sills, which shall not be measured. The opening exceed 0.5 meter square area but not exceeding this 3 meter square area, and when the two faces are plastered with a different mortar or with one side plaster and the other is a pointed, the deduction shall be made on the side of choker or a frame or a door or window on which width of the jamb and ravel is less than the other side, and no deduction shall be made for the other side. In case of the opening area above the 3 meter square area, each deduction shall be made for both the face of the opening, and the jamb and sill shall be measured and added. In taking the measurement of the jamb, soffit and sill choker, if any, shall not be deducted. Now next is the pointing. So pointing shall be measured in a meter square, starting the type of the pointing, mortar and its a mix. Various type of the pointing, struck, flush and keyed, etc. shall be taken separately, and pointing of the wall, floor, roof, etc. shall be kept as a separate item, and racking of the joint shall be included in the item, and deduction in a pointing shall be dealt in the same way of as for the plaster. Next type of the work in a modes of measurement is a wooden work. So in a wooden work, first we classify the timber. So timber is classified in four parts. So first is the batten. The term batten means the piece of a swan timber whose cross sectional dimension does not exceed 5 cm in either direction, and scantling, the piece of the timber whose cross sectional dimension exceed the 5 cm but not exceed the 20 cm in both the direction is called a scantling. Third one is a bulk. A piece of a swan timber whose cross sectional dimension exceed 5 cm in one direction and 20 cm in other direction is called a bulk. And a fourth one is a plank. A piece of a swan timber whose thickness does not exceed 5 cm and at the same time the width exceeds the twice the thickness is called a plank. Now some of the accuracy criteria given for the wooden work. So the wooden work shall be measured in a meter cube unless and otherwise specified, and length and width shall be measured in a nearest 1 cm, and width of the plank shall be measured in nearest 2 mm, and thickness shall be measured near the 2 mm, and area shall be calculated nearest to 0.01 meter square. Next is a door and window frames. So for the door and window frames, some of the important criteria. So frame and mullion and transom shall be taken in a meter cube. Count as a meter cube. The length and horse, tenons, etc. shall be added in a straight added to this side length. The length of the frame shall be measured to the nearest 1 cm and the thickness shall be measured in a nearest to 2 mm. So already we discussed these things in last slide. The sectional area shall be the least square or rectangular from which they may be cut or made. Now next is a door and window shutters. So door and window shutters shall be measured or count in a meter square, and measurement shall be taken inside of the closing the shutter excluding choker. So here choker is not included, excluding the choker. Choker means frame. So different types of the shutter as a ledge and the batten, frame and panel, flush, gauge, etc. shall be measured separately. The rate of the item shall be included nail, screw and spike, fevicol, but etc. But ultra handle and tower bolts, stopper, etc. shall be measured in a number or in a count. So in a next lecture we discuss about the paintings, mode of measurement as a painting, stone masonry, and steel and iron work and road work. So thank you.